We are working examples of solving rational equations. Okay, let's look at this one here. We have 1 over x squared minus 1 over 6x is equal to 1/6. So let's solve for x. What we're going to need is we're going to need to get that 1 over x squared minus 1 over 6x into one single fraction. Seems like I've worked this problem already. Maybe I haven't. Let me rewrite this. So first thing we're going to do is, what are we going to use? How about a different color? We got, we're going to write 6 over 6 over here. Okay. And then we're going to write, let's see what else we need, an x over x. This way now we have 6x squared. It's a common denominator. So we have 6 times 1 is 6, minus 1 times x is x, over 6x squared, and that's equal to 1 over 6. Now we technically multiply both sides by 6. I guess we'll just do that. Let's go ahead and multiply both sides by 6, and then you'll see why. So as you can see here, the 6's cancel out. I meant to use red. I've been using red for that. That 6's cancel out, and also the 6 up here and down here will also cancel out. And now that leaves us with 6 minus x is equal to 1 over x squared. We can multiply both sides by x squared. See, those guys go away, and technically I should have probably put a parentheses around that. And so now we're left with 6 minus x is equal to, of course, 1 times x squared is just x squared. Okay, so let's write this in the standard form where we have a quadratic equation. I'll go ahead and take this x and the 6 over to the right. So we're left with x squared plus x. Remember the sign changes here. Minus 6. Right, so it was a plus 6 out here, but then, you know, you're just adding x and then subtracting 6 from both sides, all you're doing. So we'll go ahead and factor this. This is going to be x. See, we're going to have 2 and 3, obviously. This would be a plus 3 and a minus 2. Negative 2 times positive 3 is negative 6, and when you add them, you get a positive 1, which we have here. Set both these linear factors equal to 0, and solve for x. Okay, so our two possible solutions, and I say possible, and there's a reason why I say that. We'll see that later on in the story. Alright, what you'll want to do is check your work, okay? And you simply do that by plugging 2 and negative 3 back into our original equation, plugging 2 in here, and this left-hand side should equal 1/6, right? And then plugging negative 3 in, and the same is also true. So I'll let you do that. Okay, well, I think that'll end this video, and I'll see you in the next one.